How to recover deleted Safari history on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. So if you want to see the deleted Safari search history, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to go with your name, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then go to iCloud option and make sure that Safari is turned on. Go with See All, which will be on the right side, and here you will have your Safari. After that, open up your Safari and tap on the bookmarks icon and go to the history section. If your Safari history was previously synced, you may see older browsing data automatically reappear. However, if Safari sync was turned off before the history was deleted, this method will not work. In some cases, even after you delete your browsing history, Safari may still keep tabs open. So you can just simply go with your tabs, go with all tabs, and you will have all of your earlier sessions. This method is useful when your history is cleared, but certain tabs were never closed, allowing you to revisit those web pages as long as the tab remains open. The website is still accessible directly from Safari. If that doesn't work, then the next solution is iCloud Backup. For that, you need to open up your settings application. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with general, and under general, you need to scroll down again. Tap on transfer reset iPhone, then choose erase all content and settings, which will be on the bottom, and choose erase or continue, which will be on the bottom again. Then you can tap on restore from iCloud Backup and choose an available backup that was created before the data that was removed. Keep in mind that restoring a backup will replace the current data on your device. So it's very important to create a fresh backup before doing this. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.